right. So you see that, guys, what do you think of this amazing drone? You know, it's a DJI Mini 2 SE. You know, I'm planning to travel, so for me to travel I need to practice. So we're here flying, you know. I just want to show you guys what this amazing gadget can do. So let's go get some views. Let's go get some views. Hello everyone, I hope you guys doing amazing out there. Today is another day. I bought a beautiful drone. I bought DJI Mini 2 SE. I bought this drone from Hong Kong, and it also have a UK warranty, because when I bought the drone, you know, they gave me a warranty that lasts me, I believe, 12 months, so I can take this drone to the UK shop and I'll still be covered. Yeah, so I bought it from Hong Kong because the tax-free kind of helped me make it a little bit cheaper. I think I saved about £100, and this is the Fly More. So the Fly More comes with a extra 2 batteries. Let me just show you guys the extra 2 batteries. So this had the Fly More comes with. It comes with extra 2 batteries. The batteries already already in there. So this is the DJI Mini 2. Because of data protection, my ID, my flying ID and my operator ID is written at the back. But this is how it look like. It's quite a small drone actually. When you see it in real life, it's very small. It's very tiny. Like, my hand is not that big, but you can see how big it is. It's very small. Well, this thing can do amazing things. You can fly this probably more than 50 meters high, and I've been doing some pictures, some videos today, so I just thought I'd show you guys what I've been doing. But before we do that, I just want to show you guys some few things about this drone. So first thing first, when you take your drone out of the bag, make sure you remove the gimbal guard. It's very important. You remove it by pressing this. Yeah, it's removed. And then if you want to put it back, it's just like that. And also, if you want to release this, there's a clip here. You remove that. Yeah, then clip it back. It's actually good. It protects your propellers, and you know, it protects the bottom one as well. And another thing, because of the two, I believe some of the DJI models, the memory card face different side, but this one, while filming, the battery went off. I have no idea where I stopped. So what I'm going to do is I'll try to see if I could catch up where I was before. So this is where the memory card is. So the memory card, some of the drones is in a weird angle. So the memory card actually facing down. I'm using a Samsung memory card. It's quite a fast one. So it faces at the bottom of the drone. So here, the drone, where the ID is there, that's the front, and this is the back. So the memory card face at bottom. And yours could be different, but this mini has to the memory cards face down. And also, what I was saying before the battery went off, I said make sure you remove your gimbal guard. This gimbal guard is very important. Make sure you protect it all the time. And also, if you want to release your gimbal, there's a clip here to protect your propellers when you pack it, you know. Yeah, in the UK you have to register flying ID and operator ID. So to be at the safe side, I just put my ID here just in case, because I don't want any busybody coming to me and say, are you allowed to fly here? So yeah, so I think I'm allowed to fly here. And I bought the Fly More. The Fly More comes with 2 batteries. And you know, the good thing about this is this thing here is a power bank. You can use this to charge your phone, and also you can use this to charge other gadgets. This thing can shoot 1080. There's no 4K, unfortunately. It can also shoot 2K, I believe 2.7, yeah. And I've been shooting auto 60 frame, 1080 60 frame, and also I've changed to professional shooting 1080 60 frame, but with the ISO to 5500. You know, I'll try to show you guys all my settings today to see what you think is good for you, because I believe the auto is pretty good. Unless you're professional and you can get the color correction right, then it's good for you. And this is the propeller, I mean this is the controller. I believe this is where I was before the camera went off. So this button here, this button, you can use it to take a picture and also record a video. And you know, to record or to take a photograph, you switch. So let's say you're flying, you're up there enjoying, taking some beautiful videos, but you suddenly notice that bridge there, it's nice, but you want to take a photograph. So you stop recording, then you switch this button to change to photograph, then you press this, it make clip like photograph sound. Yeah. And to also turn the controller on, you press this button, press it again, then it turn on. But if you want to see how much battery you got, you press it once, you see it gives you the number of, the percentage of battery you got. You know, this button here, that's the mode. If you want to fly, cine mode, normal mode or sports mode, that's your guy. And here, this button meant to be return to home. I haven't used it. You know, I've been using the one from the screen. Maybe I need to try next time. But the screen one works perfect all the time. And this guy here, this guy, you can shoot the camera 90 degree or facing up. So 90 degree is you want the camera to look down on you, like look downwards, like doing this. If you want to be looking like this with the camera, to do that. And I think I did some shots. So what you have to do is, I believe is press it, and you see the line going 90 degrees. But if you got it wrong, just flip it. Yeah, we can edit the video later. Well guys, is there anything I miss? Yeah. And this is the, how do you call it, the stick for the propeller is hidden down here. Make sure it's protected because you don't want to lose that. And this is where you put your phone, as well your iPhone or your Samsung. The cable, the default cable actually comes with the iPhone, but there's more cables in the bag. And also there's more gadgets in the bag. Let me show you guys, since it's not like a review, but you know, maybe it's a review. Do you like things like this? Please do let me know in the comment section, you know. Yeah, I just thought, as a newbie, let's learn together as a newbie, because when you bought the drone, you probably be watching people like me who are not professionals, but just got a new hobby. So this is what it comes with. Look, there's a lot of propellers, there's a lot of cables. You know, I don't want to lose them, but there's a lot of propellers and everything in there. There's a cable for Android, there's a cable for iPhone, there's a Type-C cable. Yeah, that's a Type-C cable there, you can see that. And also there's more cables. Yeah, and also more cables to charge. Yep, you can see. And the good thing is, right, the one thing I learned about the battery is, guys, it takes a long time to charge. So what I do is, as soon as I get home, I charge the gadgets, I export the videos, because when I need to travel, I don't have to worry about charging the thing. Yeah, so guys, what do you think? You know, as I'm here today, I'm actually shooting with the Sony FDR 3000. I'm testing the audio because I have a foam on it. Maybe I should show you guys what it looked like actually on here. Do you want to see where I'm standing? Well, let me show you guys a photograph of where I'm standing. Well, it says I don't have any memory. Well, I need to use my other camera. So yeah. Well, guys, that's the camera I'm using. What do you think? Do you like this camera? Do you like my setup? Shooting from Prince of Wales Bridge, wearing my France Olympic t-shirts. If you want to see a video from Paris, please do let me know, because I plan to go to Paris, do some amazing video. Unfortunately, I won't be taking the drone, but I'll be going there for content. And if you want to support this channel, please share the video. Share a video with 5 people today, and tell them about this amazing channel. We have travel content, we have food content, we have documentary, we have reviews. Yeah, we just do everything, you know. I heard from a friend said content is everything these days. So guys, yeah, who knows?